In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively back up your data in Zoho Books using the Chrome browser. Let's dive right in and ensure your financial data is safe and sound. To begin, open your Chrome browser and log into your Zoho Books account. If it's your first time, make sure you have your login details handy. Zoho Books provides a secure platform for managing your business's finances, and regularly backing up your data is a crucial step to prevent any potential data loss. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Settings tab. You'll typically find this in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. The Settings tab is your gateway to customizing and managing how Zoho Books operates for you, so it's a valuable area to get familiar with. Within Settings, you'll want to select Data Backup. This section is specifically designed to give you control over the backup process, providing peace of mind with a few simple clicks. In the data backup section, you have the flexibility to choose between backing up all of your data or just specific segments. If your business handles a lot of diverse transactions or data, it's worth considering whether you need a comprehensive backup or if you're focusing on particular areas. Selecting all data ensures that everything is secured, while selecting specific data can save time and storage space if you know exactly what you need. Once you've decided on the scope of your backup, you can proceed to initiate the process. Initiating the backup is straightforward. Simply click to start the backup and Zoho Books will do the rest, packaging your selected data into a downloadable file. Depending on the volume of data, this may take some time. It's a good idea to ensure your internet connection is stable during this process, as a disruption could cause delays. Once the backup is complete, you'll be able to download the file and store it securely. Consider saving it in multiple locations, like a secure external drive or a cloud service, to ensure redundancy. Now, while manual backups are a great start, automating the process can save you effort and mitigate the risk of human error. Within the data backup options, you can schedule regular automated backups according to a timeline that suits your business needs. This could be daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on how often you update your records in Zoho Books. Automated backups ensure that even if you forget to back up manually, your data remains protected. By following these steps, you're taking significant measures to protect your business's financial information, aligning with best practices for data management. Regular backups not only serve as a safeguard against potential data loss, but they also provide a snapshot of your business's financial history. Thanks for watching, and happy backing up.